Pear Deck's number slide feature allows students the chance to answer using a number. You'll be able to see individual student answers as well as a range of numbers. So you and your students can see a variety of answers, giving you a chance to identify common errors or discuss differences. Pear Deck offers some great templates for this, but here's a basic improvised example. To create a new number slide, click the plus icon and select the slide format that you'd like to use for this question. You can edit the question to be anything that requires a numeric answer. This could be as straightforward as an equation or a word problem. There are also great replacements for common polling questions, learning target reflection, and really any rating scale. Since the students don't need to write or interact with the screen, you can fill the screen to match your problem without leaving any space. This leaves you room to increase font sizes, add photos, or include more elaborate word problems. To add the Pear Deck features, click on the number button. There are no additional settings, so once this loads, the students will be able to enter their numeric answer to answer any question that you can imagine. You can then view that and project this data as a box and whisker plot, or show each individual answer from each student.